Best cars to own if you're living in a desert. Living in the desert? These cars won't leave you stranded. Wait till you see number 1. It's not what you expect. Number 3, Toyota Land Cruiser. This beast laughs at 120-degree heat and eats sand for breakfast. Number 2, Ford Bronco Raptor. Those massive cooling vents aren't just for show, and that suspension, built for dunes. But number 1 will shock you. The Rivian R1T. Plot twist, it's electric. No engine to overheat, massive frunk for emergency supplies, and that air conditioning? Arctic blast. Plus, those motors handle sand better than camels. But there's one vehicle I didn't mention. Follow for part 2.